sister?
I'm doing a with calamine and sour husk. Is that good or bad?
Psyllium husk? And what else you said? That's coming a volcano. They both are very harmful. Don't even deal that. Remember, to heal the body, maybe this is where I should, this lecture just begin to get good, right? To heal the body, we want to give it things that it is already composed of. And the body definitely is an alkali state. The body itself is alkali. And it is composed of what? Carbon base. Psyllium seed. Psyllium seed is acid, isn't it? It was made. You see? Anything that was made in a laboratory must necessarily be acid. Because men cannot titrate. Titration, that's the word. He cannot, in other words, may I have that umbrella? Nature, since creation, made things the way they should be. Men come and found them that way. We found them already made for us to indulge in, right? But what man does, you say, well, I can see if I take a soursop and a coconut and put them together, I'm going to get cool sop. Right? But to bring these two things together that was not originally put together by nature, you have to use a binder. That's the trick. For them to come together and unite, because they were not supposed to unite. But man takes and uses a binder, which is a chemical, and put them together. That's a violation. The other is that it is half coconut and half soursop. Is there anything in nature that's half anything?
No.
Thank you. I think that that's a beautiful description, isn't it?
Yes.
Shall we use that one? You are a scientist.